places. That person gets 5 free tickets, and you're not allowed to give to anybody else.
What happens if you don't? How many do you
What
have
if
to
it's
get?
Grandma and Grandpa?
You give them to them. Okay. You guys want to know? First of all, hold these.
You got the free ticket!
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Okay, so
You're just like-
you're gonna do exactly the way. Whoever touches my hands first wins. You ready?
Hold on, I have to set these down.
Watch. Watch me do it first. This is what you're gonna do. Exactly. Sit down.
Exactly like you did.
Yep.
Tag!
I slipped it down, DK! I slipped! But you still won! Now Kyle won 1-0.